Hey guys, so welcome back. If you're looking at this video, it's because you probably need to change a seal on your front diff, so I might as well do that too. So 715-900-531 is the oil seal. There's two in the front and they're both the same on either side. So if you got one leaking, they're both the same. So basically, this is a seal you need to remove if it's leaking oil around. So this one here we're going to do after. We're going to start with my new cover on the side and we're going to press this thing in. So basically, grab your seal. There's an indented side. That's the side that goes out the inside, and then like so we'll put it on the press. Alright, find yourself one that's gonna fit for this. Should have been more prepared, but I could always edit this out, or you guys can always skip. And so we don't go too deep, take a look on the other side. They've seemed to have went in a little bit on the lip. So what I'm going to do is take a look at how because that one was broken off, and take a look. This one, okay, this one you can't push in further than it can. This one here, let's release it a little bit because I don't want to go in too deep. So we're learning as we're going. Let's see if this one, yeah, this one you can't push it in more than it can go. So let's keep, I'll have to go to a smaller size because I was oversized. We're going with a 59 millimeter. Yeah, 59 millimeter. So so deep. Is it going right through? Yeah, it's going right through. So that it does stop. It doesn't go all the way through. So we'll push it back down. That it can't go any further than right straight flat. So we're going to use a 81 millimeter. And we're going to push this thing back through it. So yeah, so keep an eye on the other side. Learn from my mistakes. I'm not going to delete this, so I'm going to show you guys not to make the same mistake. So it does go straight through on this one. So I'm just going to push it flat. That's as deep as it can go in. We don't want it deeper. So that's it. So it's sitting flush on the outside. It's a little bit inside the lip. The coating's coming off. That's okay. So that's basically it to install a new seal. And these ones, I see they got grease on the edge. If you're taking yours apart, I suggest you put grease on yours. So what we'll do is we'll change this one here, it's in there. We'll check this side. So this way here you guys will know both seals. Remove your ball bearings. And if you got one of these, it's a seal puller tool. So just put this down flush, grab the middle, and pry it out if it will. This one doesn't seem to. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the press. And this should be pretty flush. Yes, it is. And we're gonna use a smaller We're going to use a 50 millimeter to push it out. There was nothing wrong with my seals, but rebuilding a whole front diff, I'm not going to leave a couple seals in there for the fun of it. That's going to leak shortly after, so I'm gonna take them apart. And this one here obviously has a lip on the side, so grab some brake clean, grab a rag, and it's all nice and shiny. Grab your other seal. You're gonna flip it over. Now it's got little, okay, so it's got a T30, and if you put it on a big surface, it's gonna not be even. So put your surface smaller so your T30 can stick out, and then you should be on a flat surface. So. Alright, so slap this one in here. We're going to go with the, what is it? Yeah, 59. Oh, better release it. Alright. And this one's gonna bottom out. It's gonna hit. I don't want to put too much pressure because it's a seal. So basically, once I felt that I had to squeeze harder on it, and then check it inside. And as long as there's no gap, it's all good. So that's how you change the front seal on the other one, on both sides. So if you're looking at changing your seals on both your covers, that's how you do it. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and appreciate you all, and we'll see you on the next one. I just figured that I might as well, some people don't like watching a full video on a full rebuild or whatever from A to Z. You just want to have a quick know-how to do simple things. So that's what I did for you guys. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.